Alright, so to begin this installation, you're going to need this actuator, door lock actuator, motor, whatever you call it. You can order this online. They're not that expensive, so you're so that you're able to install this with. So let's do it. And now you're going to, obviously you have to open the panel here first on the hatch, take that out. Now it will expose the latch lever here. You're going to drill that, right? We're gonna need to make a hole for the actuator to grab, to pull it, right? You'll see that in a minute. So here where I installed the actuator inside the hatch, so you just need 2 screws there, right? And now you're going to need a positive, constant positive supply. So here's my supply here. Don't forget to put a fuse in it, and this is going to go straight all the way to the back. And also your negative, and don't forget to put a relay on your negative. Go to your remote starter or your keyless entry, so that you don't burn your keyless entry. So just the negative, make sure you put a relay on it, the signal, a negative signal. So here's the positive and the negative. And see now where I'm pointing, this is the rod that comes with the kit. And see the rod attached to the lever and goes to the actuator motor. So when I press the unlock button, the actuator will pull the lever and then open the trunk, obviously, right? So that's how simple that is. So let's try it. Close the hatch. Press it. There you go. Close. So you can also open the button if you want to, right? So as you can see, press the button, it will open. And also it will open even if it's locked. So I'm going to lock it, and the remote can still open the trunk, which is good. You don't have to worry about unlocking and locking, right? There, right? And this is locked, right? So unlock. So no more pressing the button. So here now, everything is back. Put everything back, the panel back. And we're done, right? So let's close the door again. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's locked. So press the trunk. There you go. Voila. All right. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Also, if this video helpful, please consider to like, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribe, so we can grow this channel and hopefully help more people. See you next video.